Look at all those heads down on their screens. Algorithms have them filtered clean, becoming more and more like machines. White noise everywhere. It doesn't seem like anyone cares. It's all around, but never found. And it seems I'm drowning in its sound. It sounds. Just how far will it go? Will it just keep knowing until nobody knows? Reflecting on its own reflection. Can anyone escape from its detection? It's all subjection. People with their heads all in the cloud, looking at the world through a shroud. Having any self-doubt. Every day the world gets smaller. People think they're free, but they're wearing the same choke collar.